Hey everyone, this is Isaac, and welcome back to another After Effects tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create this clean 2D pool ball animation that looks surprisingly three-dimensional. This is a great beginner project because it teaches you some of the most important animation principles in After Effects, including shape layers, shadows, timing, easing, and creating depth with a simple design. Let's get started. After creating your composition, make another one. Go up to Composition and click New Composition. Put the height to 1000 and the width to 2000. And when you're ready, press OK. We will use this composition to create a pool ball texture. For this one, I'm creating the 9 ball. So let's grab the shape tool and let's create a white base. We can lock this layer. Now, instead of a solid color fill, I will select a linear gradient. And now create a gradient that looks something like this. It's important that the color on the left and the color on the right are exactly the same, and that the color in the middle is a little bit brighter, so it looks like there is a reflection going on. And here, the ball is going to wrap around the edges, so that's why the color needs to be exactly the same. Now let's grab an ellipse tool and create a white circle in the middle. Let's align it to the center. And the last thing to do is add the number. Grab the text tool, click on the middle and type in your number. Grab a thick font and make sure it fits perfectly inside the circle. Now it's time to make the ball actually look 3D. Unlock the first layer, while holding Shift, select all 4 of the layers, right click, pre-compose and press OK. Copy your composition and paste it back into your original composition. Now go to Effects and Presets and search for an effect called CC Sphere. Drag it over to your ball. As you can see, our ball is now circular. Open the light and shading settings, put the light intensity to around 30 to 40, put the ambient to around 60, and we'll leave the ball for now. Now go on the internet and find a good pool table texture. Import it in and make it fit the background. Now let's add a drop shadow behind the ball. Drag it over to your layer and copy these settings. Put the distance to around 100 and the softness to around 100 as well. Put the direction to any angle you want, but as you can see, the dark side of my ball is on the right because of the light direction from the CC Sphere effect, so make sure to match those two angles. As you can see, my light comes in at minus 85 degrees, so I made my shadow face 85 degrees, which is completely opposite. So to make a new ball, go up to composition again, create a new composition again, and let's repeat the previous process. To make things easier, you can just copy the assets from your first composition. Now I want the cue ball, which is a white ball with a red dot in the middle, so I'll delete everything else and replace the 9 with a red circle. When the design is ready, right click and pre-compose, copy it and paste it into your main composition. You can copy the effects from your other ball. So as you can see, we have 2 balls now. To animate the ball, go into rotation. To animate the rotation of the ball, you can animate a keyframe for any of these 3 axes. I want to animate the cue ball hitting the 9 ball from the left. So that means I need to animate the rotation Y, like this. Put the first keyframe here, and put the second keyframe here, and let's rotate the ball. Now when the first ball hits the second ball, the first ball stops moving and the second one starts. So when rotation ends for the ball 1, let's rotate the second one. Now at the same exact place where you put the keyframes for the rotation, put keyframes for the position. The end position, it should be touching the other ball. And move the ball left for the beginning of the animation. Now select all of your keyframes together, right click and easy ease them. Open the graph editor and play around until you get something that looks like this. Now let's animate the second ball, following the same sort of instructions as for this one. And that's it. We created a simple but satisfying pool ball animation using just a few basic techniques. These are all techniques you'll use in almost every motion graphics project, whether you're making UI animations, logo reveals, product ads, or social media content. Mastering simple animations like this is one of the fastest ways to improve your overall animation skills. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.